How to generate citation in Grammarly. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So just open up your browser, then search for Grammarly citation. Then open up the very first link that you see in the search results. Just open it up and this is where it will take you. Now just select the citation style that you want, like APA, MLA or Chicago, and after that select the show, and after that select the source of your citation, and after that just provide all the necessary details according to your needs and preferences, whether you want full citation or in-text citation, and after that provide the URL from where you want the citation, and this way you would be able to create the citation. Also, if you have the Grammarly account, then a window will appear at the bottom left hand side corner, and whenever you will open up some website, then you can just easily get the citation quite easily using that particular window of Grammarly on your screen. So this is how you get the citation done on Grammarly. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.